In this video, we will compare Uizard versus Visily, which one is better, going over the pros, cons, pricing and more. Visily. Visily's biggest strength lies in its AI-powered shortcuts, from imagination to interface design. You can upload a screenshot, sketch or even type in a simple prompt within a few seconds. Visily delivers editable and highly wireframe prototypes. This ability to turn rough ideas into polished visuals is especially appreciated by many different designers. Directors of products or startup founders frequently note that the tasks only took one day and have completed in a couple of minutes with this AI tool. With over 1500 templates and a smart UI component, paired with features such as real-time collaboration, universal browser access, Visily democratizes design by removing technical barriers or expertise. Users report that an entire team can brainstorm and iterate on UI without having to rely on specialized design. Training, making it a go-to choice for product creation, cross-functional alignment as well. Despite its strengths, Visily is not designed for deep customization or professional-grade workflows. Several users highlight, while its smart components and templates look very polished, they can feel very repetitive, and over time, our advanced designers may feel the customizations are limited compared to other tools such as Figma. Workflow complexity increases with the multi-page projects, rendering can be slow, and dragging elements across large canvases sometimes introduce lag. Visily also does not support advanced prototyping features, such as conditional, integration or iteration, auto layout systems and full code exports beyond the basic CSS visualization. Some updates have introduced minor bugs, and there have been occasional reports of performance hiccups when working offline or under a heavy load. The focus on ease of use occasionally comes out as a cost of creative flexibility. Visily offers a generously free starter tier that includes one editable project, multiple different boards, foundational templates and limited AI credits and screen exports. The free plan is sufficient and occasional users, early prototypes and anybody exploring design. Paid tiers begin at around $14 per editor per month when billed annually, unlocking significantly more design credits, priority support, team collaboration tools and version history to export to Figma. For larger teams or enterprise customers, custom plans add features such as singular sign-ons, dedicated account management, unlimited credits, and more. While the price is very competitive in the market and reasonable for teams seeking AI-driven design workflows, some small businesses report that it is too costly and may be limited as the usage scales. Visily ease of use. Visily integrates and is purposely built for access, offering a smooth learning curve for both experienced designers or total beginners. From the first interaction, users are guided by a clean, uncluttered layout with logical tool placement, intuitive drag and drop elements, and more. AI features such as text to UI, screenshot to wireframe significantly reduce the friction of you getting started, allowing users to skip the blank canvas phase and jump straight into editing with real components in a real short time. New users often find that they can build multi-screen mockups without watching a single tutorial, thanks to its straightforward UI, responsive feedback system, and features. Features such as style auto-suggestions, instant grouping, auto-alignment all provide helpful assistance in the layout design without overwhelming many of their users. Beyond the design itself, Visily also excels at team collaboration and communication. It supports real-time co-editing, threading comments, version tracking and team-based permissions, which makes it suitable for production teams, startups or co-founders, even cross-functional departments trying to visually plan workflows together. However, as projects grow in complexity, some aspects such as performance, especially on lower powered devices, can become very laggy. Offline functionality is still very limited, and mobile browser use is serviceable but far less responsive compared to the desktop environment. While onboarding is so smooth, there is room for improvement in terms of helping their user understand how credit usage works, its AI limits, and especially for those on the free tier. Even so, the general user experience is very modern, inclusive and refreshingly low barrier for many different users or businesses. Competitors. Visily competes in a growing market or category of AI-powered UI tools. It positions in quite a distinct way. While traditional design platforms like Figma, Adobe XD or Sketch offer advanced vector editing, component libraries, team design systems, they all often come with a steep learning curve and require design literacy. However, Visily, by contrast, targets users who need to move fast. Founders, validating or features ideas, marketing design landing pages, all with minimal design background. It brings the power of wireframe and basic prototyping into an approachable package by bypassing the complexity of traditional design software. While it does not offer full developer hands-off or even granular control or component behavior, it does bridge the gap between brainstorming and sharing visual products. Against the newer AI-centric competitors such as Galileo AI, Uizard or Whimsical, Visily holds on its own by offering a blend of accessibility, structure and a breadth of fresh air. Uizard focuses more on natural language and sketch-based UI generation. It is similar, but Visily ends up providing more robust structure and greater emphasis on collaboration and workflows. Galileo AI excels in Figma integration, realistic UI generation from prompts but may require downstream editing from Figma in redefinement. Visily balances creative freedom, structural guidance, all with automation to save you time and money, but enough stability to maintain coherence across different screens. From teams working in sprints, fast ideation loops, it becomes a strong contender for a go-to design collaboration tool without overhead of full-stack design platforms. Overall, Visily shines an intelligent, user-friendly design platform that caters to those who need a visual clarity and fast turnaround with deep in design theory or tooling complexity. It combines the magic of AI generation layout with intuitive editing and structural templates, making it ideal for early stage integration, stakeholder presentation or rapidly prototyping. Unlike some tools that focus heavily on developer hands-off or pixel-perfect control, Visily emphasizes inclusivity, speed and cross-functional teamwork. It gives non-designers the power to contribute meaningfully to the product curation process, turning screenshots into wireframe, ideas into interfaces, and conversions into prototypes. That said, its power of early or mid-stage workflows, not deep design system development. Users looking for detailed prototyping, responsive breakout, or front-end exports may still require tools like Figma or Webflow later in the process. But as a brainstorming or planning comparison, Visily fills an essential role, making the UI exploration more visual, collaborative and efficient. It democratizes thinking effectively by removing the friction between creation and concept, offering teams a shared space where ideas can come to life. From startup, product teams or fast-moving organizations, Visily is more than just a wireframing tool. It's a catalyst for faster and smarter design decisions. Uizard. Uizard's core strength lies in its speed and AI-driven design automation. You can start with simple text prompts, such as login screens with dashboards and task managers. Within a couple of minutes, Uizard's auto-design delivers a polished, multi-screen wired frames that looks professional and clean. Users describe how they created a full app interface in less than 2 minutes, then shared it with a client who responded with "Wow, that was quick and beautiful." The tool also supports sketch to wireframe conversations and screenshot imports, turning even hand-drawn designs and existing app screenshots into editable, interactive mockups. With built-in real-time collaboration, users can co-edit, comment, preview across multiple devices, and more. The browser-based workflow means no installation is required, and cross-platform compatibility is accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This combination of rapid prototyping, intuitive editing, and teamwork-friendly features make Uizard ideal for entrepreneurs, product managers, and non-design professionals who need visual outputs very fast. Despite its ambition, Uizard has some functional and design limitations that users frequently highlight. One major is the repetition of generic templates. Reddit users report that after a few uses, the design starts to feel formatic or uninspiring. While AutoDesigner handles basic layouts well, More complex or bespoke user workflows often remain manual cleanup or redesigned in other tools just to fix them. Performance can also falter in multi-page or large projects, as rendering is slow and interaction with lag and AI-generated elements sometimes conflict behind the scenes. Another frustration is that it's a lack of developer-friendly exports. Users can export React or CSS for single components only, rather than the whole screen. This will slow off the handoff process and add additional time. Features like undo behavior, the inconsistency, may introduce small disruptors during the editing sessions. These limitations suggest Uizard is optimized for more speed and precision or design control. Uizard offers a tiered pricing structure designed for a variety of users. Its free plan allows for 3 active projects, 10 templates and 3 AI generated per month. Enough for experimentation or hobby use. The Pro plan starts at approximately $12 to $20 per creator per month and provides significantly more power. Auto Designer 2.0 accesses up to 500 AI generations monthly, unlimited public and private projects, full template access, and collaboration with unlimited viewers and commenters. At around $40 per creator per month, the business plan boosts users and unlimited AI generations, faster AI processing, and custom brand kits with unlimited project capacity and priority support. All the plans support browser-based editing and unlimited team viewing seats. While higher tiers unlock advanced features, some users know that the expected billing can be very expensive and costly if you're a smaller firm that may not use all the features. As well as this, it can be confusing as there are no traditional free trials or freemium tiers. Uizard is intentionally designed for non-designers or early adopters alike. Its interface is minimal and clean and largely intuitive, which allows users to get started without any setup or tutorial. Key features like text-to-UI conversion, sketch scanning, template editing all offer immediate gratification to avoid design complexity or freezing. Editing feels familiar for those who have used tools such as Canva with drag and drop or similar text-based prompts to change the style. Collaboration with your team is seamless. Users can share projects, invite feedback or co-edit in real time without specialist knowledge. However, advanced users may feel the constraint by the absence of features like detailed layer hierarchy, batch editing, complex prototyping transitioning, and more. Mobile and offline use is supported, but experience low responsive compared to the browser environment. Many onboarding challenging STEM teams from the fact that Uizard is not provided an in-app tour guide, which some users report confusing over the credit usage or auto-renewal settings. In the AI-powered design tool space, Uizard is often compared to tools such as Galileo, Visiliy, and Polymet. These platforms also convert prompts or sketches into UI components and integrate with Figma or React-based workflows. While Bolt emphasizes developer-friendly exports and trend UI components, Visiliy focuses more on collaboration via framework. Uizard is unique in its selling point as it blends text-based design generation with other functionality, and its ease of use for beginners is very easy with no traditional tutorial when signing up. Traditional editing platforms such as Adobe XD or Figma offer far more precision, customization layers, or control for developers, but require significant design knowledge and even a lot of time investment if you've never used a tool like that before. Uizard fills the niche of fast prototyping for non-designers or technical expertise, though for complex or highly defined designs may demand integration with Figma or transfer into a more robust design tool that remains common. Overall, Uizard. Uizard is a powerful AI-first design tool that democratizes the creation of prototype processing, enabling anyone to visualize app or web design in a matter of a few minutes. It's especially well suited for rapid MVP mockups, early stage validation, pitch decks or basic collaboration workflows. The Designer 2.0 engine, combined with sketch and screenshot imports, makes it flexible and fast. However, its limitations in its depth of design and template and screenshot imports makes it repetitive and means it does not replace professional UI tools. It just complements them. Its performance can struggle with multi-screen projects or complex ones, and manual redefinement is often necessary for production-ready use. Users who want to speed, ease of use, collaboration clarity, whether founders, product owners, or power users, Uizard delivers real-time value. If you prioritize agility over pixel-perfect control, its strong first-step design solution is great for many users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Overall, Uizard. Uizard is a powerful AI-first design tool that democratizes the creation of prototype processing, enabling anyone to visualize app or web design in a matter of a few minutes. It's especially well suited for rapid MVP mockups, early stage validation, pitch decks or basic collaboration workflows. The Designer 2.0 engine, combined with sketch and screenshot imports, makes it flexible and fast. However, its limitations in its depth of design and template and screenshot imports makes it repetitive and means it does not replace professional UI tools. It just complements them. Its performance can struggle with multi-screen projects or complex ones, and manual redefinement is often necessary for production-ready use. Users who want to speed, ease of use, collaboration clarity, whether founders, product owners, or power users, Uizard delivers real-time value. If you prioritize agility over pixel-perfect control, its strong first-step design solution is great for many users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.